Assalamualaikum. Hi again. We are going to continue for our topic still in chapter 2, part 2, FIN358 investment management. So our second chapter is about investment alternative. So our next subtopic is about types of investment risk. Okay, so apakah risiko yang selalu dihadapi dalam bidang investment. So for this one, the risks are the same. I think you might gone through this subtopic in any other subject as well. So the answer is systematic and also unsystematic risk. Okay, so systematic or unsystematic, two of it. Okay, so let's take a look on systematic risk first. Systematic risk, or also we could call it external risk, uncontrollable risk, or ataupun non-diversified risk. Okay, whatever the name, it's referring to systematic risk. Okay. Firstly, I need you to correct this one. Systematic risks that are uncontrollable. So in your notes, I think it's written controllable, right? So fix this word, tambah un dekat situ. There is a typing error. So sorry for that. So please fix it. Systematic risks are uncontrollable actually. External and affects all types of securities in the same manner. So if systematic risk ni berlaku, dalam bahasa je kita katakan ia akan affect sesuatu securities investment tu dalam cara yang sama lah. Sebab systematic risk ni lebih kepada secara menyeluruh. So if it's happen, so kita tak dapat nak elak. Kan? Okay, so we could not actually tak dapat nak avoid. Okay, so example, changes in economy. Okay, berlaku perubahan dalam ekonomi seperti recession dan juga inflation. So kalau berlaku kejatuhan ekonomi, which is referring to recession, ataupun kadar inflasi yang tinggi, or it could happens because of politics. Yes, as you know, if during circumstances where the political environment are not stable, it will affect the whole economy as a whole in a country. And social, this societal effect could due to a lot of factors, okay, because of humans and so on. And also war, you can also include war in this part, because this will affect the whole systems of the economy within one country, or even could actually affecting another country. Okay, so systematic risk will cause prices of nearly all types of investment securities to move together in the same manner. Yes, sekiranya risiko systematic ni berlaku, dia akan affect the whole securities tu ke arah yang sama. Biasanya jatuh harga lah. Okay. So if there is unexpected announcement that the government will nationalize major firms, stock prices akan actually drop sharply. Ini dia bagi example. Sekiranya ada unexpected announcement yang dibuat oleh kerajaan, so harga saham akan jatuh secara mendadak. Okay, what happened in Malaysia? You can also give example if it's asked in the final exam. For example, we are facing the pandemic of COVID-19 right now, right? So this is a type of systematic risk. We cannot control it. Actually, we are trying to control, just try to minimize, but in terms of the effect, we cannot control as the whole. So this pandemic COVID-19 is actually part of the systematic risk. So we can take a look on our share prices di Bursa Malaysia, kan agak tak memberansangkan sangat since last year, and then when pandemic COVID-19 happens around in March, keadaan saham juga masih lagi naik turun. Okay. But you can see one concrete example, if you still remember, earlier this month, right, when Datuk Sri Anwar Ibrahim announces that the current government will actually goes down because he already have enough majority to form a new government. Kalau awak ingat kan, dia kata kerajaan yang ada yang di bawah pimpinan Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin sekarang jatuh disebabkan dia dah ada majoriti yang mencukupi untuk membentuk government baru. Okay, kalau awak tengok pada hari tersebut, kita punya share prices di bursa saham jatuh dengan teruk. Dan kena ingat bila harga saham ni jatuh, dia agak susah juga untuk naik balik. Okay, so it's a kind of kalau sesuatu negara tu mempunyai keadaan politik yang sangat tidak stabil seperti sekarang, so whatever happens akan menyebabkan kejatuhan kepada share prices dan juga affect our economy as a whole. Sebab ekonomi ni dia macam, you boleh katakan, you can imagine as a big ball lah, satu bola kan. So kalau dicucuk salah satu bahagian, angin tu keluar dan lama-lama bola tu akan kempis kan. So kalau rosak one part, it will affect another, right? Something like that. Dan when the share prices is not going to rise and it's not going to being at the stage of stable, tak stable, so agak susah untuk our economy pulih dengan sepenuhnya. Okay, right? Unsystematic pula adalah risk yang controllable and diversified. Dia agak unik. Unsystematic risk ni a kind of unique to a firm or an industry. It can be eliminated through diversification of portfolio. So kalau nak elak, kita boleh macam cerita Piramli tu lah kan. Kenapa tak elak, right? Macam in the Bujang Lapuk movie kan, kalau you pernah tengok, right? Kenapa tak elak, right? So yang ni samalah, yang ni boleh dielakkan, unsystematic ni, right? So examples adalah mismanagement of a firm. Sekiranya berlaku masalah dalam pengurusan syarikat, persaingan, competition, labor difficulties, kesusahan untuk menangani masalah tenaga buruh, consumer preferences disebabkan perubahan behavior of consumer, and labor strikes. I think this one you can explain better since you are all diploma in business studies, right? So you know how consumer preferences always change a lot, kan? And labor strikes, kan? Kalau berlaku labor strike, rusuhan oleh para tenaga kerja juga boleh menyebabkan share prices dan company itu akan affected lah. For example, if major explosion of TNB power plant and cause blackout, sekiranya jana kuasa TNB tu stesen jana kuasanya rosak ataupun berlaku letupan, na'uzubillah, kan, contoh saja. So the price of TNB shares akan affected, dia akan turun dengan mendadak. Okay, tapi hanya TNB sajalah, syarikat-syarikat lain seperti mungkin syarikat FNN ke, shares prices in terms of hotel ke, right, dia tidak akan affected, hanya that particular company sahaja. Okay, itu yang dimaksudkan dengan systematic dan juga unsystematic risk. Okay, so another sources of systematic risk kita akan take a look on our next video.